Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there! Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a contemporary wooden craft project ideas for everyone needing to have it for personal use or for sale. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating contemporary wooden craft projects offers an exciting opportunity to blend creativity with functionality. The versatility of wood as a material allows artisans and crafters to produce a wide array of items that can serve personal purposes or be sold for profit. In this exploration, we will delve into various contemporary wooden craft project ideas that cater to diverse tastes and needs, providing inspiration for both individual use and commercial endeavors. Wood has long been cherished for its beauty, durability, and tactile qualities. In contemporary design, it continues to play a pivotal role, providing warmth and a natural aesthetic that contrasts beautifully with modern materials like metal and glass. The grain patterns, colors, and textures of wood can evoke a sense of connection to nature, making it a popular choice for artisans seeking to create meaningful and visually appealing pieces. When embarking on a wooden craft project, it's essential to consider the intended purpose of the item. Whether you are looking to create decor for your home, functional furniture, or unique gifts, understanding the audience and context will guide your design choices. The contemporary aesthetic often emphasizes clean lines, minimalism, and functionality, allowing wood to shine as a central element in the design. One of the most popular avenues for contemporary wooden crafts is home decor. Wooden wall art can transform a blank space into a focal point. Imagine creating a large, abstract piece that combines various wood tones and textures. Using different types of wood, such as oak, walnut, and birch, you can achieve a rich visual contrast. The process begins with sketching a design that resonates with your style. Once the design is finalized, cutting the wood into geometric shapes can create a stunning three-dimensional effect when arranged on a canvas or directly on the wall. Another appealing decor project is crafting wooden shelves. Floating shelves, in particular, are a minimalist's dream, providing storage without occupying floor space. To create these, precise measurements are crucial. Start by selecting a sturdy piece of wood that complements your decor. After cutting it to size, sand the edges for a smooth finish. Mounting brackets can be hidden for a clean look, allowing the wood to appear as if it's floating. These shelves can display books, plants, or cherished decor items, making them both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The demand for unique, handcrafted furniture has surged in recent years, making it a lucrative area for wooden craft projects. A simple yet stylish coffee table can be an ideal project for those looking to create functional pieces. Begin by selecting a design that fits your space and style. Whether you prefer a rustic farmhouse look or a sleek modern design, the choice of wood and finish will significantly impact the final product. For a contemporary coffee table, consider a design that incorporates clean lines and minimalistic elements. A rectangular top made from reclaimed wood paired with metal hairpin legs can create a striking contrast. The process involves cutting the wood to size, sanding it down, and applying a finish that enhances its natural beauty. If you're looking to add a personal touch, consider engraving a design or initials onto the surface before finishing. Seating options are another excellent avenue for wooden crafts. A simple bench can serve multiple purposes, from extra seating to a decorative element in an entryway. The design can be straightforward, consisting of a flat top supported by sturdy legs. Experimenting with different wood types can yield interesting results. For example, pairing a light-colored wood with dark legs creates a dynamic visual contrast. The key to a successful bench is ensuring stability and comfort, so pay careful attention to the construction process. Creating wooden items for the kitchen and dining area can be both practical and rewarding. Wooden cutting boards are a staple in many homes, and crafting them allows for customization and creativity. Begin by selecting hardwoods such as maple or walnut, which are known for their durability and resistance to damage. The design can range from simple rectangular shapes to more intricate patterns, such as end-grain boards that showcase the beauty of the wood. The process of making a cutting board involves cutting the wood to size, sanding it down to a smooth finish, and applying a food-safe oil to protect the surface. Personalization can be achieved through engraving or adding decorative elements, making these boards perfect gifts or items for sale. The satisfaction of crafting a functional piece that enhances the cooking experience is immeasurable. When it comes to decor ideas, scrap wood can be used to create items that add warmth and character to any space. For example, wooden wall art is a popular choice among crafters. By combining various sizes and types of scrap wood, artists can create stunning pieces that serve as focal points in living rooms or entryways. The beauty of such projects lies in their organic nature. No two pieces are alike, reflecting the unique grain and texture of the wood used. Having the right tools is another critical aspect of woodworking. While advanced projects may require specialized equipment, many easy and smart projects can be completed with a basic toolkit. Essential tools might include a saw, drill, sander, and paintbrush. A handsaw or jigsaw can help you make precise cuts, while a power drill is invaluable for creating holes and assembling pieces. Sanding is a crucial step that ensures a smooth finish and eliminates any rough edges or splinters. Taking the time to properly sand your project can significantly enhance its appearance and safety. One of the most accessible and rewarding projects is crafting wooden home decor items. For instance, creating decorative wooden signs can be a fun and creative way to personalize your space. These signs can feature inspirational quotes, family names, or whimsical phrases that reflect your personality. Start by cutting a piece of wood to your desired size and shape. After sanding the edges, you can either paint or use wood-burning techniques to transfer your chosen text onto the wood. This project allows for endless customization, enabling you to experiment with different fonts, colors, and styles to create a sign that is uniquely yours. Another delightful project is building wooden planters. These can be simple rectangular boxes or more intricate designs that incorporate dividers for multiple plants. To create a wooden planter, cut pieces of wood for the base, sides, and bottom. Assemble the box using screws or nails, ensuring a sturdy construction. Once the planter is assembled, sand it down and apply a finish that complements your decor. This project not only beautifies your living space, but also provides a functional home for your favorite plants, allowing you to bring a touch of nature indoors. If you're looking to create functional items, consider making wooden coasters. This project is straightforward and can be completed with minimal materials. Start by cutting pieces of wood into squares or circles, depending on your design preference. Sand the edges and surfaces to ensure a smooth finish, then consider applying a protective sealant to make them water-resistant. Wooden coasters can be a practical addition to your home, protecting surfaces from moisture while adding a rustic charm to your decor. They also make thoughtful gifts for friends and family. The joy of woodworking extends beyond the finished product. It lies in the creative process, the personal satisfaction of crafting, and the connections formed through shared experiences. As you embark on your crafting adventures, remember that each piece you create has the potential to bring beauty and functionality into the world, enriching both your life and the lives of others. Embrace the art of woodworking, and let your creativity flourish in the contemporary landscape of wooden crafts. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.